Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Tonight I'm planning on getting the flywheel installed and the clutch installed. I've already got the flywheel cleaned up, you know, all the oil off of it. I had it soaked down with low WD-40, so I won't worry about getting no surface rust on it. I actually had it resurfaced a couple years ago when I put the clutch in. We're going to reuse the clutch. It's the Ford King Cobra racing clutch. There's nothing wrong with it. It's perfectly fine. The flywheel is perfectly fine. So we're going to save some money by reusing those parts there. We may or may not be able to get the bell housing installed. We'll just have to play it by ear and see how it goes. But that's what the goal is tonight, guys, is try to get those two components installed, get them torqued down to spec, and we'll be that much closer. Get the transmission installed, get the drive shaft installed, and then we can jump back in the engine bay and finish getting the rest of the components bolted up on the engine. As you can see here, we are going to be running just a GT40 intake. I had this thing for a couple years now. I bought it when I first started doing the project, so that's the intake we're going to be running on the car. You know, nothing fancy, guys. This is a budget build. I think I got that thing on eBay. It was already painted and everything. Shipping and all was like 200 and some change, maybe, is all I paid for it. So yeah, we're going to be using that. You know, they give us a little bit more horsepower, not much, but it'll be better than what was on it. So let's get up underneath the car, get the flywheel on, get it torqued down, and get that clutch installed. All right, let's stick our flex plate on. There we go. Get a flywheel. The sister here is going to be a little heavy, guys. You got to turn around here to where we get our holes like matched up. And it looks like that's it right there. Got a blue Loctite on. A little rig right there. I'm going to torque these bolts down to 64 foot-pounds. Mark it so we know that we torqued that one. And we'll go to the next one, just like you would if you was putting your lug nuts on your car. That's it. Flywheel's torqued down. Now we can get on to the clutch and pressure plate. Got the clutch here. You got a mark on there. It says flywheel side. It's right there. You want the side that's got the little protruding part to stick out into the pressure plate. So we'll go ahead and get this lined up on there. We'll grab the pressure plate and we'll line the pressure plate up with the little dowels. It's a little heavy. Alignment tool is in. So let's get a little bit of blue Loctite on the bolts here. Of course. Start putting them in. These get torqued down to 24 foot-pounds. That's it, guys. We got the pressure plate and flywheel clutch installed. So let's get out from underneath the car and we'll wrap this video up. All right, guys. There's the installation of the flywheel, the flex plate, and the clutch. Next video, we'll get the bell housing installed and we'll get the tranny installed, and hopefully we'll get the drive shaft put in. And then we'll get back in the engine bay and start bolting up some of these accessories and get ready to continue on with the turbo build. You know, like I said, we don't really have a whole lot to do to the drivetrain per se. Just bolt everything back in, and then, you know, all that stuff will be good to go. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That's all I got for you today. And make sure you keep an eye out for the next one. Drop me a comment down below, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.